Hello, today we are making Puerto Rico Pollo Guisado chicken stew. What you will need, it is going to be 4 tablespoons of sofrito and recaito, 1 packet of sazon Goya seasoning with achiote, 2 teaspoons of powdered chicken nor, 2 tomatoes, either garden or Roma, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You will also need oregano, and you will also need bay leaves. Okay, so you are going to add all your ingredients in step 8 except for your bay leaves. You will not put your bay leaves in the blender. Those leave them aside and go ahead and blend. Okay, now it's time to pan sear our chicken. We are going to season with adobo Goya, both sides and evenly. And we're just gonna pan sear on a high temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. And we want to achieve a nice golden crust on our chicken. That's going to give our dish, our pollo guisado, a nice flavor and texture. Okay, so now it's time to transfer our chicken that has been pan seared for 10 minutes into our baking pan, and we are going to add our cut potatoes and our cut carrots, and now we're going to add our liquid that we blended, and there we go. Now we're going to cover it, and we are going to put it into the oven at 435 degrees for an hour. Okay guys, so now it is time to plate. It's been an hour and look at this delicious pollo guisado. I love this plate, and you can plate it with white rice and pink beans, which are called habichuelas rosadas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.